Picture this. You just dropped $50,000 on a brand new SUV. 6 months later, transmission problems, repair bills, and buyer's remorse hit hard. Today, we're exposing the 5 worst SUVs to avoid in 2026 and revealing the 6 best ones actually worth your money. Number 3 on the worst list, its failure rate will shock you. Let's dive in. Welcome to CarCulture-X, where we cut through the hype and show you the real truth about cars. Worst SUV number 5. Jeep Compass. Starting our worst list is the Jeep Compass. Consumer Reports gives it one of the lowest reliability scores in its class, and owners consistently report transmission issues, electrical problems, and engine troubles within 50,000 miles. The 9-speed automatic transmission is the main culprit. It hesitates, jerks, and sometimes completely fails. Replacement costs run $4,000 to $8,000. Add in electrical gremlins, random dashboard warnings, and frozen infotainment systems, and you've got a recipe for frustration. The Compass depreciates faster than competitors, losing nearly 50% of its value after 3 years. For a $30,000 vehicle, that's $15,000 gone. The interior feels cheap with hard plastics everywhere and a cramped second row. If you want a Jeep, get a Wrangler or Grand Cherokee. The Compass isn't worth the headache. Worst SUV number 4. Volkswagen Atlas. Volkswagen Atlas. It looks great on paper with spacious seating and modern tech, but it's a money pit waiting to happen. Owners report premature turbocharger failures, fuel pump issues, and electrical problems before 60,000 miles. The DSG transmission shudders, slips, and refuses to engage gears. But here's the real problem: repair costs. A simple brake job that costs $300 on a Honda runs $700 on the Atlas. Timing chain replacement? Try $2,000 to $3,500. J.D. Power rates the Atlas well below average for reliability. Multiple recalls have plagued this model. Fuel economy is mediocre, ride quality is harsh, and road noise is excessive. For $35,000 to $50,000, there are far better options that won't drain your wallet. Worst SUV number 3. Ford Explorer. Ford Explorer, and this failure rate is genuinely concerning. The 10-speed automatic transmission is a disaster. Owners report violent shaking, sudden power loss, hard shifts, and complete transmission failure at highway speeds. Ford has issued multiple service bulletins and software updates, but complaints continue. Some owners are on their 3rd or 4th transmission replacement under warranty. Once warranty expires, you're looking at $5,000 to $7,000 for replacement. Beyond transmission problems, the Explorer suffers from electrical issues, climate control failures, and infotainment glitches. The touchscreen freezes constantly, and climate control blows hot when you want cold. Consumer Reports doesn't recommend the Explorer due to reliability concerns, and resale values are dropping as word spreads. It's disappointing because Ford has built excellent vehicles, but the current Explorer is one to avoid. Worst SUV number 2. Mitsubishi Outlander. Mitsubishi Outlander. It's not competitive in any category that matters. The 2.5-liter engine produces only 181 horsepower, making highway merging sluggish with passengers. The CVT drones loudly and feels disconnected. Interior quality is budget-grade with cheap plastics and unsupportive seats. Technology feels like it's from 2015. Safety scores are concerning with only marginal ratings in some crash tests. Reliability is hit or miss, with climate control and electrical problems. Parts availability is challenging as Mitsubishi dealerships disappear. Resale value is abysmal, retaining only 35% after 5 years. Even with Mitsubishi's 10-year warranty, there are too many better options in this price range. Worst SUV number 1. Nissan Pathfinder. The worst SUV you should avoid in 2026 is the Nissan Pathfinder. This hurts because the Pathfinder used to be solid, but recent generations have one critical flaw: the CVT transmission. Owners report CVT failures as early as 60,000 miles. Symptoms include shuddering, overheating, complete loss of acceleration, and catastrophic failure requiring full replacement at $4,000 to $8,000. Many owners need multiple CVT replacements, even under warranty. Beyond the transmission, timing chain problems cause engine damage costing over $2,000 to repair. Electrical issues plague the navigation, backup camera, and sensors. The ride quality is mediocre. The third row is cramped, and fuel economy disappoints despite the CVT being marketed for efficiency. Consumer Reports ranks it below average in reliability, and resale values reflect this reputation. The Pathfinder's combination of transmission, unreliability, poor value retention, and mediocre driving experience makes it our worst SUV. Must be on dark screen. Now let's flip the script. These next 6 SUVs represent the best choices for 2026 with proven reliability, strong resale values, and features that deliver. Pay close attention. Best SUV number 6. Mazda CX-5. Mazda CX-5. This compact SUV offers something rare: genuine driving enjoyment. The handling is sharp and responsive, and the turbocharged engine delivers 256 horsepower. Mazda's reliability is well-earned. The CX-5 gets consistently high marks from Consumer Reports with few significant issues. The interior quality punches above its price with premium materials and upscale design. Fuel economy reaches 31 miles per gallon highway, and maintenance costs are reasonable. Starting around $28,000, the CX-5 offers exceptional value. Strong resale values make it a smart investment. It's perfect for drivers who refuse to compromise on driving enjoyment. Best SUV number 5. Honda CR-V. The definition of doing everything right without flashiness. The CR-V has earned its reputation as one of the most reliable vehicles you can buy. Honda's engineering excellence shows in the smooth engine, seamless transmission, and drivetrain built to last beyond 200,000 miles. Practicality excels with enormous cargo space and clever storage. The hybrid achieves 40 miles per gallon combined, providing sedan-level efficiency. Ride quality is comfortable with minimal road noise. Resale values are among the best, often retaining 60% after 5 years. Starting around $30,000, the CR-V is dependable, practical, and will serve you faithfully for years. Best SUV number 4. Toyota Highlander. Toyota Highlander is the go-to choice if you need a 3-row SUV with bulletproof reliability and long-term value. Toyota's reputation for longevity is fully realized in the Highlander, making it a practical choice for families who want a dependable vehicle for years to come. The proven V6 engine delivers smooth, durable performance, while the hybrid version offers an impressive 36 miles per gallon, combined without sacrificing the third-row seating, saving thousands in fuel costs over just 5 years. Inside, the Highlander provides generous space across all 3 rows, with adults able to sit comfortably even in the back. The cabin is thoughtfully designed, combining functionality with quality materials. Safety is a major strength, with top-tier crash test ratings and a full suite of standard driver assistance features. Maintenance costs remain low, and owners rarely encounter issues beyond 150,000 miles. Starting around $38,000, the Highlander may seem pricey, but its exceptional reliability, strong resale value, and low long-term ownership costs make it a smart, financially sound investment for families. Best SUV number 3. Hyundai Palisade. Hyundai Palisade delivers premium features at a non-premium price, making it one of the strongest value choices in the 3-row SUV segment. From the moment you step inside, the interior quality feels far above its class, with soft touch surfaces, refined stitching, and a clean, upscale design that rivals far more expensive luxury vehicles. Even the base trim comes generously equipped, offering advanced driver assistance systems, a large infotainment display, digital gauges, and modern connectivity features that competitors often reserve for higher trims. Move up the lineup, and the Palisade becomes even more impressive. Available upgrades include ventilated and heated second-row seats, a high-end premium audio system, ambient interior lighting, and a crisp head-up display that enhances driving confidence. Under the hood, the smooth V6 engine delivers strong, confident power while maintaining a comfortable and composed ride. Long-term ownership is also reassuring thanks to Hyundai's industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. With a spacious third row suitable for adults and class-leading cargo space, starting around $36,000, the Palisade delivers true luxury-level comfort without luxury brand pricing. Best SUV number 2. Kia Telluride. At number 2 is the Kia Telluride, and there's a clear reason this SUV continues to win award after award year after year. The Telluride stands out by excelling in nearly every category without any major compromises. Its bold, boxy exterior isn't just for looks. It maximizes interior space and gives the SUV a strong, confident road presence. Step inside, and you're greeted by a beautifully crafted cabin featuring high-quality materials, thoughtful layout, and supremely comfortable seats across all 3 rows. The technology is intuitive, modern, and loaded with features that make everyday driving easier and more enjoyable. On the road, the Telluride feels surprisingly engaging for a vehicle of its size, with composed handling and a planted, confident feel. Reliability has been excellent, supported by strong owner satisfaction scores and Kia's outstanding 10-year warranty. With massive cargo space and exceptionally comfortable second-row captain's chairs, starting around $36,000, the Telluride delivers luxury-level value without the luxury price tag. Best SUV number 1. Toyota RAV4. The best SUV you should buy in 2026 is the Toyota RAV4. It may not turn heads or feel exciting at first glance, but there's a reason it remains America's best-selling SUV year after year. The RAV4 represents automotive perfection through simplicity, durability, and proven engineering. Toyota designs this vehicle to last for decades, focusing on long-term reliability rather than short-lived trends or flashy features. One of the biggest highlights is the hybrid model, which delivers an impressive 41 miles per gallon combined while offering standard all-wheel drive. Over the lifetime of ownership, those fuel savings add up to thousands of dollars. Reliability is legendary, with many RAV4s easily surpassing 250,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. That translates directly into lower repair costs and stress-free ownership. Practicality is another major strength. Cargo space is generous, the interior layout is smart and user-friendly, and safety technology comes standard across the lineup. Toyota's driver assistance features are comprehensive and proven. On top of that, resale value is among the best in the industry, with the RAV4 holding its value better than almost any SUV. Starting around $29,000, it delivers unbeatable total ownership value. It's not exciting, but it will serve you reliably for 15 years, and that's why it's number 1. There you have it. 5 SUVs to avoid and 6 SUVs worth your money in 2026. The difference between choosing wisely and poorly can mean tens of thousands of dollars over vehicle life. Remember, reliability and total cost of ownership should drive your decision, not just monthly payments or flashy features. Buy smart, not impulsive. Which SUV surprised you? Are you driving one of the worst or best? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this video saved you from a costly mistake, smash that like button and subscribe to CarCulture-X for more honest automotive advice. Thanks for watching, and drive smart out there.